Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's open our camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. And here we have an option timer. You can set it on 1 second, on 3 seconds, on 10 seconds, or on 20 seconds. Let's set it, for example, on 3, and then let's try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.